Hello, this is REDT, a specialized company in laser and CNC solutions. Today we will create a key featured in the movie Mission Impossible while using the MAGIC-E4. We call up the prepared engraving and cutting designs using the dedicated design software, MAGIC-Engrave. Before the first engraving, we use MAGIC-E4's key feature, automatic tool length measurement, to measure the length of the tool bit. For the first step, to express the key's three-dimensional texture, we engrave using a V-cutter tool bit. Using the red laser pointer, we check the top, bottom, left, and right boundaries of the engraving area, then automatically measure the height from the material surface. After completing the first engraving, we replace the V-cutter tool bit used in the initial machining with an end mill tool bit. When changing the tool bit, we use an L wrench to loosen and remove the existing tool bit before installing the new one. After replacement, press the start button to automatically measure the length of the new tool bit. Then, as with the first machining, visually confirm the work area before proceeding with the second cutting. The secondary cutting is complete. You can see that the key connects in a cross shape, just like the key featured in the movie. To replicate it exactly, we machine the connecting part to the thickness of the brass plate. Once machining is complete, let's connect the two keys. So far, we have shown the process of making a key through brass engraving and cutting using the versatile CNC engraving machine, MAGIC-E4.